Today's IT job opportunities for May 6, 2026. Wish you the best of luck, and God bless you. Please check the video description for the full application links. Job title: Software Engineer, Level 2. Employer: Independent Software. Employment type: Full-time. Job title: Software Engineer 3-. Employer: Akina Incorporated. Employment type: Full-time. Approximate salary: $218,000 to $266,000. Job title: Software Engineering Professional. Employer: Freddie Mac. Employment type: Full-time. Approximate salary: $103,000 to $155,000. Job title: Senior AI Developer, local to VA only. Employer: eSolutions. Employment type: Contractor. Job title: Team Lead, Principal Software Engineer. Employer: Leidos. Employment type: Full-time. Approximate salary: $131,300. Job title: Software Engineer / Principal Software Engineering Jobs. Employer: Northrop Grumman. Employment type: Full-time. Approximate salary: $91,800 to $138,000. Job title: Software Engineer 2-. Employer: Akina Incorporated. Employment type: Full-time. Approximate salary: $191,000 to $234,000. Job title: Mobile Lead Developer with Ionic Framework and Angular. Employer: Aeros Technologies Incorporated. Employment type: Contractor. Job title: Software Development Engineer I. Employer: Developer. Employment type: Full-time. Job title: Data Engineer / Databricks. Employer: Jobs via Dice. Employment type: Full-time. Job title: Senior Software Engineer. Employer: Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, APL. Employment type: Full-time. Approximate salary: $105,000. Job title: Mid-level Backend Software Engineer. Employer: Leidos. Employment type: Full-time. Approximate salary: $87,100. Job title: Senior MarkLogic Developer. Employer: Leidos. Employment type: Full-time. Approximate salary: $107,900. Job title: Senior Full-Stack Software Developer, clearance required. Employer: Lockheed Martin. Employment type: Full-time. Job title: Senior Software Engineer, Windows / Desktop Applications, Reston, Virginia, USA. Employer: Speechify. Employment type: Full-time. Job title: Principal Software Developer. Employer: Leidos. Employment type: Full-time. Approximate salary: $131,300. Job title: Senior Software Engineer, Remote. Employer: Theus. Employment type: Full-time. Approximate salary: $98,614. Job title: Platform Engineer. Employer: Booz Allen Hamilton. Employment type: Full-time. Approximate salary: $86,800. Job title: Early Career Software Developer. Employer: MITRE. Employment type: Full-time. Approximate salary: $79,200 to $99,000. Job title: Managed Developer / Admin. Employer: Pyramid Consulting Incorporated. Employment type: Contractor. Approximate salary: $65 to $70.